Alright, so what happened?
So we just took the car to the car company.
You mean
And
dealership?
yeah, car dealer says. And then first step, they're going to change the car 500 to 400. And then once they finish, they will call us. So we just pick up that car again to rebuild inside, and then we can bring it there back again to change the number 800 from 400.
So what's a 400?
So 400 means like wider, I guess, or smaller, whatever.
Wider, because we
Wider?
remove the pockets.
Yeah. I don't know what's the differences with the pocket, but anyway, because we remove the pocket, we have to change it as a 4. And an 800 means like something special. For example, like a kitchen car or a camping car or any other like special car thing. So that's a safer. Lots of like food truck and along, especially along Kanagawa maybe, is most of them are 400 numbers. But every time they have to remove the kitchen part to get the, what is called, second inspection?
Safety.
Yeah. But anyway, we just try to like safer way. 800 is more safer for everything, like insurance, or for example, if we want to go to like bigger like shopping center or like some strict place to sell the coffee, 800 number car is better. So
Alright, so I have to
yeah,
rebuild the car.
you have to rebuild the car. Yes.
Alright, with a magical door at the front. That
Yep.
opens and closes for some reason that I still don't understand.
Yeah, for some reason. But anyway, at least the car company's guy is really nice. So
Yeah.
yeah, if you have some like questions or not sure things, we can just ask really casually. So that's really good. Okay.
Yeah, lucky I'm being fired, so I have time to work on the car.
Yeah, you have plenty time to the car.
Great.
Great.
Alright. Alright. Let's try to take everything out without breaking. Oh yeah, so take 2. Alright, so the main reason that we failed the test was the dividing wall for these cars has to be able to move with the seat. So I need to come up with some kind of way to have the dividing wall slide back and to the original position. And that also means I'm gonna have to move the sinks and work out a different way to catch the water because it's quite low here. The other thing is that the entrance has to be at least 30 centimeters, and it has to be about 120 centimeters from top to bottom. So, all right. So for these kind of cars, it's far more tricky. All right. So let's try to come up with some solution. So we packed everything up, took the cats, moved to the countryside. Also, the grandfather's house has a lot of really interesting old tech, and I really want to do some videos about that in the future. So please check those out when they come out. Thanks for watching.